You still got it though. You still got it though. Girl, you looking like a fucking pot of gold. You got your mean little walk with your model pose. You got your hair did. You got designer clothes. Still got it though. You still got it though. You got your kids did. Getting pretty on the roll. Did you get brain? Did you make the honor roll? Don't worry about your man, baby. He ain't got it. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to the happiest place on earth. No, this is not Disneyland. Disney World is in Florida. Well, it's not either one of them. But this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Like, yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I sit inside.
So today's video is going to be a battle of the boxes between Sephora Play, Birchbox, and Ipsy. So this is gonna, I know this is gonna be kind of late. I got my Birchbox like a week ago, but then I left for New York for 4 days, and these must have come while I was gone because they weren't here before I left, trust me, because I was trying to do this video before, but that didn't work out. So they are all beauty subscription boxes that are $10 a month, and I'm just gonna open them real quickly and we're gonna see which one is the best. So this is for the month of June, and let's just get right into it. But first, the most important part. If you do like these types of videos, please let me know by giving them a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, let's get into it. I will start with Birchbox because to keep it 100, they're the most boring, so I'm just gonna start off with that because I like to end on a brighter note, a happier note. Okay, so here is what the box looks like for June. Nothing too spectacular, but so the first product is this Beautinique Glow Serum. Full size is $22. This is, I don't know, I can't see anything. This is like horrible packaging. Hold on, let me open it. So it says it highlight your favorite features with this pearly pink hydrating cream infused with nourishing apricot fruit extract. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I am always down for any sort of illuminating product, especially illuminating moisturizers. So here's what the packaging looks like without that plastic crap on it. And oh my goodness, that was way too much. Here's what it looks like. Ooh, it is a very like pearly pink. Whoa, that's a hydrating cream? I mean, that looks like a highlighter. Let's see if it blends out. Oh, it does. Damn, look at that glow. Hell yeah. Ooh, hold on. Where's my collarbone? Look at that collarbone pop. Alright, I ain't mad at you. Not at all. Alright. I can work with that. And I mean, it does blend out, but it still gives like a bright ass freaking glow. But that is my type of glow, if you didn't know. Alright, I am really liking that. Okay, so the next, what is this? Okay, it is Beauty Blender Original Foam Sampler. Full size is 20. Okay, this tiny but mighty makeup tool helps you apply creams and powders with a streak-free finish. Squeeze the water nodule press the sponge to saturate and open to use. Huh. It says test with your favorite foundation. Wow, I'm really excited to try that. You can see on the back it says here it is dry, and then here it is after you press the water. Is it like a one-time thing though? I don't know. Okay. So the third project is this IPKN Big Apple Sun Cream SPF 50. Full size, $28. Huh, that's kind of funny since I just came back from the Big Apple and I did need some sunscreen. But a little too late now. Okay, so the next product is this Chlorine Dry Shampoo with oat milk. Full size is $20. I have tried this dry shampoo before and I do like it, so I definitely needed a travel dry shampoo. I'm excited about that. And the last product is this Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Full size is $25 and this is 0.25 ounces. And I have tried this just recently and I actually do love it. I love Purity, the face wash, and I do like the moisturizer. I mean, it's nothing that like I would probably repurchase, but I will enjoy the sample. Okay, so that was my Birchbox, and I'm actually I'm very pleasantly surprised with the products I got in my Birchbox this month. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to Ipsy. Oh, here is the bag. Oh my gosh, I love that. It goes from pink to coral to red, and here it is on the back. Oh my god, and then it's a little heart. Oh, I love this bag. Oh, I'm excited. So now let us get into the products. So let me open this mysterious one in a bubble packaging. This is a Sahi Cosmetics Cream Metallic Foil Eyeshadow with jojoba oil. Oh my gosh, guys. I have gone on my Ipsy profile and put that I wasn't happy with the products I was receiving, and they had me go through a list of like 30 products and say yes I would like this or no I wouldn't. And from what I am seeing, I think some of the ones I chose yes I would like, I'm actually getting. So this, let's see, because I remember this, and something else I see I remember picking as well. So that's awesome that they actually listened to me. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Like, yeah, you can actually get good things from Ipsy. I just have not been getting them. I mean, it is definitely a like pressed pigment. You kind of have to go in hard to get anything, but look at that. Oh my goodness. And the color is Dubai. Woo! Okay, so the next product is this Beauty For Real 24/7 eyeliner in the navy. I mean, I'm happy it's not black. I don't know how I feel about a navy eyeliner. I don't know if I would ever wear it, but you never know. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Oh, actually, I might wear that. With like a blue look, I'm gonna have to try. And it's very creamy. Alright, alright. I could have chosen that, I don't remember. I don't know if I would have chosen navy, but... Oh! Ipsy! I love you! I don't think I've ever said that, but thank you for listening to me. Oh my god, you guys. Ah! I'm like, who are all these people who are getting good stuff in Ipsy, like MAC and stuff? I'm one of them now, bitches. Oh my god. This is a MAC lip gloss in, let's see, I definitely picked this. Oh my gosh, in Nymphette. Yes, I love that. Oh my gosh, you know what? Oh my god, yes, it's like a shimmery pink coral. Oh my god. Here, I'm gonna take off the gloss I have on and I'm gonna put it on. Oh, good, because I had, this color kind of reminds me of like the NARS Orgasm lip gloss. Oh my god, I am so freaking happy right now. It's not even funny. Okay, the next one is this Formula 1006 3-time Sublime 3-in-1 Blackhead Wash and Scrub and Mask. Pink grapefruit and jojoba. This miraculous multitasker makes light work of stubborn blackheads to remove excess oil, unclog pores, and eliminate blemishes. Pink grapefruit cleanses while jojoba exfoliates. Its 3-in-1 formula acts as a wash, scrub, and mask for the complete complexion overhaul. It's 1 ounce, and you put it on dry skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash off. I mean, I don't have much of a problem with blackheads, but I do have a problem with, you know, pores and acne, so I will definitely try that. And the last product I definitely picked, and I love this product so much. It is the Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. This toner is everything. I love this so much. I am so excited to get, because I was like this close to buying it at Target, and I was like, maybe Ipsy will come through and give it to me. And they did! Oh my gosh! This is like the best Ipsy I've ever gotten. Hands down. Hands down, the best. Alright. Here is the bag for June Sephora Play. It says hot, hot, hot with little pink ties. Super cute. And the first product is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in R230. I don't know if that's my shade. I have so many of these, and I really don't think it's my shade. But I mean, it's a good foundation. I have like 3 of these right now. So, but it's a lightweight medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for a flawless, fresh face. Okay. Alright, next product. I am excited about this. And it is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Longwear Matte Lipstick in Queen Bee. Oh my gosh, when these first came out and I was considering buying one, this was one of the colors that I was considering buying. It says a long-lasting lightweight lipstick that goes on like a gloss but delivers bold full color. Alright, let's do a swatcheroo. Oh, that is like a very pretty mauve. That would go with a lot of different skin tones. I like that. I mean, the color isn't something I would wear on a daily basis, but I do like that, and I've been wanting to try this formula, so I am super excited. And this is a like pretty decent size sample. How how big is this? 0.1 ounces. Okay, that doesn't sound like that much, but it looks like a lot. Alright, so the next product is this Verb Sea Spray. And it says this refreshing sea spray gives hair a breezy, beachy look with loose curls and a texture boost. I actually have this already, and it is a very good lightweight sea spray, but I already have it. So I'm just gonna have to start putting together like another giveaway and add some of these products into them so other people can try things that I have already tried. Alright, the next product I have tried but I am almost out of. And I love using this to clean my lashes. Once I take them off, I'll take a Q-tip and dip it in here, and then I'll get all like the eyeshadow and the lash glue off of it. This does an amazing, amazing job. Alright, so the last product minus the bonus is this Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. A super hydrating water gel that locks in moisture, visibly plump skin, and helps smooth the look of fine lines. So these types of water gels are going to be great if you are oily and you are looking for some hydration. And you know, I do like them as being dry too, but if only when I want something more lightweight. Ooh, it does look very pretty. Anything pink, all about. And it feels a lot creamier than like a normal gel-based moisturizer. So this might be something that I would actually use. It says, tip, keep in the refrigerator before use and bring a little chill to your hydration routine. Huh, I never thought about that before. That's really cool. And then for my bonus, it is this, I'm not gonna say this right, Marajo Deep Treatment Butter and Nourishing Cleansing Cream. A hydrating shampoo and conditioning set that nurtures hair with botanical oils and rich butters. Alright, I like that it's a cleansing cream and not a shampoo as well. Alright, so let me reflect. I mean, like there really is no competition, like in my opinion. Like my Ipsy bag was by far the best. By far. I am like still smiling from it. I did get a lot of products that I liked in my play, but three of them are products I already have. 2 I could do without because I have enough of them. I'll always take more of the Clinique, but so it felt like I really only got 2 products from that. Let me look at the Birchbox again. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this, and I like this glow serum. I mean, the Birchbox was good, but compared to the Ipsy, not even close. I can't believe that Ipsy beat both of them. I don't know, maybe I'm just biased. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, so those were my Ipsy, Birchbox, and Sephora Play for June, Battle of the Boxes. And our time has come to a close. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And I love you all. I will see you next time. Bye.